Before we get started installing Flutter, let's first go through what you will need in order to be able to work with Flutter. You will be gonna need a computer, either PC or laptop of some sort, and it can either be on Windows or Mac. For Windows, it should run on Windows 10 or later, and a disk space of 2 GB is required, in which IDE is not included. RAM should be around 8 GB to run smoothly, and for macOS, it should be on macOS 10.10 or higher, and rest of the requirements are same. Next steps require some sort of code editor like Android Studio or VS Code, which are popular among developer community, through which we will be able to create Dart code so that we can build Flutter apps. I will show you by both ways, and then it will be your preference which code editor would you choose. Personally, I will use Android Studio mostly because it make it easier to work with emulator. We can easily upgrade to specific version of Android versions really easily. And down the line, there will be some point where you will be using Android Studios anyways. Next, when we are creating an app, you need some sort of phone which you are using. It may be either iOS device or Android device. It really doesn't matter at this stage. It's completely optional if you don't have any device. So enough talking, we will see that how to download a Flutter SDK and IDE.